Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you're on the Insider Rings, of course we talked about the fact that there was an update this week for release preview. Well, today there's an update for both the beta and dev channel. So of course dev channel is the more advanced one where we test things that are going to happen, features going to happen in the future, and the beta channel is testing the actual Windows 11 22H2, but in two different branches. If you're on 22621, you are testing and checking out the build for what's going to come this September 20th. 22621.586 is where we are. But if you're on the other branch, 22622, you're testing new features that will be part of what we call moments in Windows 11. The first of moments will actually arrive later this year. And of course next year, 4 moments are predicted to happen. So this is what's happening right now. If we look at the dev channel build, which I am updating right now on my computer, they're testing a few little things. They're testing an updated touch keyboard settings, and they are also have improvements on Windows Terminal, and an update to Wi-Fi and VPN properties in the settings. So minor details, but a few little things here. For the rest, of course, is mostly fixes for everything that didn't work well. So if you had problems with the build of the dev channel, this might fix your problem. So 25188 is what's happening. And of course, if you're on the beta channel, you have also, and let's just quickly look at here what's happening here. New features, so fixes and build 22. So it seems that 622 is just having fixes right now, not much more in terms of settings. So it's really just fixes that are in the other build too. Anyways, whatever ring you are this week, you all have something to check out. Release preview, beta, and dev channel. I will be, of course, coming back with a look at the dev channel build either later today or possibly tomorrow, where we'll have time to go through and check out a little more about what's happening in the dev channel for Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.